As this is a no root method, we need to install 3 to 4 applications in your mobile to get the same look of MIUI 12. So with that out of the way, let's get the video started. Let's start with the launcher. We are going to install Poco Launcher as it is from Xiaomi and gives nearly the same look of MIUI. Let's install it. Once installed, the main thing that you would notice is icons. They are still your phone icons. I mean, if you are using a OnePlus mobile, then they are OnePlus icons. If it is Samsung, then they are Samsung icons. So now let's change that as well. For that, you have to install an app, MIUI 12 icons. I have the drive download link in the description. You can download it from there because this is a paid app in Play Store. Once you install that, open the app, you can see all the MIUI 12 icons listed there. To apply this icon pack, simply go to Poco Launcher settings, which can be accessed from here. Now head over to icon pack settings. This would be set to default by default. Okay, so change it to MIUI 12 and hit apply. Looks pleasing, right? Wait, volume bar? Okay, let's give this also a makeover. Head over to Play Store and download the Volume Styles app. This has almost all volume bars from all major brands. Select MI and then hit Start Service. That's it. Now you should see the updated MIUI 12 volume bar. Now for the status bar makeover, download the MI Control Center app, and by the way, links are in the description below. Once opened, you see two types of notification shades. One, the older style, which looks like this. And the second one is the control panel one, which is introduced with the MIUI 12. Select the second one and click run. Now as you guys can see, status bar is updated as well. Now let's go for the wallpapers. The animating globe wallpapers which were introduced with the MIUI 12. For that, you need to install them. Download link for the file is in the description down below. Once installed, these wallpapers should show in the wallpaper panel of your mobile. You can apply it from there. But if you don't see it there, use the Google Wallpaper app to apply it. For some mobiles there is an issue, so if you see an issue, go to Google Wallpaper app. From there you could apply it. And next, coming to the charging animation, you can use an app called True Amps, which is a charging animation app which has the similar animation like the MIUI 12. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So this is the final look of the MIUI 12 without root method. Did you like it? Okay people, that's all about today's video. If you guys like this video, please hit that like button and also subscribe to the channel for more amazing tech content. I really hope to see you again in my next video. Signing off for now.